Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the internet is not working even after you turning on the data. So let's say I here turning on my mobile data and the internet is not working when I turn it on. So there might be possible reasons and solution based on that. So there might be some network issues, like you have a poor signal. You can move a look to a location with better network coverage, or maybe there will be there's are some carrier issues, like contact you can contact your mobile carrier to check if there are any ongoing network problems in your area. Or here you can also check your APN settings. You can go to the settings and find network and internet, tap on the SIM card and mobile network, and in here tap on the SIM card that you are using. And here you can just scroll down until you find this access point names or APN. Tap on that, and you need to make sure that uh, they are correct for your carrier. In this case, this is correct for my carrier. Or you can also add a new APNs in here. You can just set it in here, and here you need to make sure that the airplane mode is off. Maybe you accidentally turn it on. You need to make sure that this is off, and you need to also disable the data saver mode if it's enabled. You can go back to the network and internet. Here you need to make sure that the data saver is off, and you need to also ensure the app you are trying to use has the necessary permission to access your data. So the last reason might be some software glitches. You can try to restart your device or update or check for any available software updates that might address the issue. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.